Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. I'm finally making a video on this thing, the Bit Safe lighter insert. Check out the box of it. It says the Bit Safe lighter insert turns your Zippo lighter into a functional screwdriver, adding compact utility to your everyday carry. Pop the 4-in-1 insert into your classic Zippo windproof case and quickly and easily swap between durable Phillips flathead, and Torx screwdriver bits for jobs on the go. Rugged? I don't know how rugged it is, but construction and durable bits. Magnetic hex-shaped bit holder includes number 1 Phillips, number 2 Phillips, number 2 flathead, and T20 Torque heads. Secure self-storage for bits not in use. Famous Zippo click. Not compatible with slim or 1935 replica cases. There you go. Lighter insert manufactured in China to Zippo quality standards. Here's the side. Magnetic hex-shaped bit holder. And this is the lighter I decided to put it in. It's a 1974 Manitowoc Crane Zippo. Manitowoc being where I'm from. There's the insert. It's not a bad little thing. It's got some decent weight to it. Seems to be built kind of solid. My only thing is that some people had been talking about using different size bits in it, and I can't even get this bit out. How great is that? Probably too wet of fingers or something. Why can't I get you out? Oh, lovely. I got absolutely no nails. So got that bit out, which you can then interchange bits. On one of the Reddit groups that I belong to, a gentleman had purchased one of these, and I don't know if you can see it very well, but way in the bottom of each of the wells here, there's a little round magnet. If I can get these out here. Here we go. And as you can see, each little well has a little magnet in there, even stamped China made in the bottom. But the gentleman on Reddit, shortly after he got it, these little magnets started falling out on him, and he had to glue them back in. So there's something, if you get one of these, you got to watch out for, that those little magnets do come out quite easily. And there's a bigger magnet on the bottom of the main shaft that you use to utilize the tool. And of course, any bit shaped like this you can use. It's a relatively nice little addition to your collection. I mean, I'm sure its practicalness isn't the greatest, but I have used this to do some, little minor fix-up jobs around the house, like hinges on doors, door plates for the sliding lock mechanisms and stuff, and it seems to be holding up pretty well. I mean, it hasn't chewed up the bit that bad yet, so at least it's a higher carbon steel, I guess, that the bits are made out of. I like how they got the little flame symbol on the chimney. It's kind of cool. But overall, I mean, is it practical? Not really. Is it a cool little thing to have in your collection? Oh, most definitely. And one other thing I want to point out is that this shaft is only so big. And you know, if you use a bit that has an extension or is longer, you're risking, if you notice here, it's not very thick. It's a cheaper metal, I can tell you that. It's not like a really high tempered carbon steel or anything like that. So my question that I'd be concerned about, if you use any really longer bits to try to reach into areas, when you turn it, catches, and you'll be creating a higher torque by using a longer bit. That my fear would be that you could crack it along the sides and stuff here, because like I said, right in here it's not very thick, and actually I think it's thicker on the front side than it is on the back side on this particular insert. So if you use a bit that's longer, like you can get extensions and bits that are like 3-4 inches long, I think it might cause, in my opinion, too much torque and could end up fracturing or cracking the little stout chimney resemblance section here where the bit goes. With that being said, I still think it's a nice little Zippo accessory. If you don't have one in your collection, it's definitely worth the 15-20 bucks to get one, just to have something different. I'm glad I have one in my collection. I'll probably buy another one just to keep it in the box sooner or later. But that's what I feel about them. Do I think they're worth it? Yeah, I think they're worth it for your collection, just to have something different. And obviously, you know, don't use it inside the case. That's why, you know, you got to pull it out to change bits and get better grip this way too, and you don't have to worry about the lid all flopping around and stuff into the work area that you're trying to do. And I also would pop that up if possible, because you know, you could use that and get your finger on it and possibly break the cam in there too. So that's just my quick little opinion. Watch out for the little magnets in there, because obviously it's made in China. So, you know, whatever quality standard Zippo may have, like listed on the box, we know how Zippo's quality standards have been lately with hinges and stuff. I've read all over different Reddit sites and online on Facebook groups and stuff, people having problems with certain things coming out of Zippo lately, and I don't want to get into that. I still love the company, still appreciate the products, but you know, if it was made by a man, doesn't matter what it is, it will eventually fall apart and break on you someday, because you know, we're infallible. No, we are fallible, not infallible. And that's just my little opinion. If you like it, get one. If you don't, don't. Zippo makes plenty of other products for people to have. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day.